Hello everyone! Welcome sa ating daily function series. Tatalakayin natin today ang left, right, and mid text functions. Meron tayong data dito which is comprised of the date, product, and department. Our goal is to identify or extract those individual data at ilagay sila into three separate columns. So for example, the date, this is the first 8 characters or digits na makukuha natin from the code. The product is the last 3 digits from the code. And lastly, the department is the 2 digits in between the date and the product. So let's start with the date. Paano natin efficiently ma-extract ang first 8 characters dito sa ating data using the left function? So let's start by typing in the left function, left, then press tab. Let's select the text or the data. We want to extract yung first 8 characters, comma, then let's press 8, which is the number of characters na gusto nating i-extract from the left. So close, then press enter. Ayan, automatically makukuha natin lahat ng first 8 characters from the code. Next naman is paano natin makukuha yung product. Sinabi ko kanina, the product is the last 3 digits from the code. So we will be using the right function, right, tab, then let's click on the data, comma, and last 3 digits which is 3. Ayan, enter. And automatically, kinuha niya yung last 3 digit. Paano naman kung yung code natin ay nasa gitna at hindi siya may extract from the left or from the right? We will use the mid function. So kanina, alam natin na yung date ay 8 digits. So yung department, mag-uumpisa siya on the 9th digit. So equals mid. Dito sa mid, ang mga parameters natin para din lang siyang left and right. However, may additional. Dito, pwede nating iselect yung code natin or yung data natin, comma, then it will ask for the starting number or saan mag-i-start itong kinukuha natin. Mag-i-start siya from the 9th character. So, bakit 9th character? Yung date kasi 8 characters. So, pang 9 yung department mag-umpisa. Then next is the number of characters na meron si department. As discussed din kanina, meron lang 2 characters yung department natin. Then let's press 2. Then close. And ayan, 25. Automatically, nakuha niya yung department. So, para i-copy and paste ito, let's highlight. Then press Ctrl D. And automatically, makukuha na natin lahat ng mga gusto nating ma-extract, which is the date, product, and the department using the left, right, and mid function. So, if you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel to be updated on future videos. Thank you for watching.